Hey guys, welcome to Wheels on Wheels, and today we will be going over a tutorial how to shove it and pop shove it, some secrets, some hacks on how to do it the proper and steezy way. So let's see it. We're gonna go over the foot positioning for a shove it first. So back foot, toes hanging off the tail, and then front foot doesn't really matter, but I like to have it like right behind the bolts, like right here. Depends on your preference. For the motion, you want to like scoop back with your back foot, and then you want to jump at the same time, like that. So it'll do a full 180 rotation, just land back on. So scoop, jump, land back on. Once you have your shove it's consistent, you're ready to move on to pop shove. Pop shove, it's basically a shove it, except you plop your tail on the ground and you give it height. Lots of stees. So for foot positioning, it's similar to the shove it, except you have your back foot in the center of the tail like this. Instead of hanging off, it's just on the tail so you can have pops like an ollie. Steps for the pop shove: pop, scoop, turn at 180, and then land back on. You pop and scoop at the same time to get it in the air. So the hack to doing this is to practice this trick in fakie. And the reason this helps is because when you're doing it in fakie, the momentum helps you turn the board all the way around, and it's way easier. And it worked for me. And I actually haven't seen any other channels talk about this, and I think it's very important, overlooked all the time. So yeah, guys, make sure to practice this in fakie if you're having trouble, and I guarantee you'll land it within the next few days. Promise you.
If you don't throw mustard on the corn dog, corn dog, corn